We have to find the values of x and y. Let's put that we have here a, b, c, d, e. We see that angle A is congruent to angle D because we have these two lines. So it means that measure of angle A is equal to measure of angle D. So we have one equation. Let me write this. We have measure of angle A is equal to measure of angle D. What else? Because we have two unknown x and y, so we need one more equation. Because here we have right angle, so angle ECD is supplementary angle, so this angle will have 90 degrees too. So we have here 90 degrees because we have straight angle here, so we have 180 degrees here, 90 is on the right side, so on the other side must be 92. So we can write another equation because this angle has 90 degrees, so it means that these two angles has to have 90 degrees too, because we know that the interior angles of triangle has 180 degrees. This angle has 90, so these two angles must be equal 90 degrees. So we have that we can write measure of angle D plus measure of angle E is equal 90 degrees. So now we can substitute measure of angle A is 28 degrees is equal measure of angle D, so this is 7x minus y degrees, and we have measure of angle D 7x minus y degrees plus measure of angle, let me put that this is our two equations, and plus E, so we have 3x plus y degrees is equal 90 degrees. So we have two equations, two unknowns. So let's forget about degrees first. So we have 28 is equal 7x minus y. So we have 7x minus y plus 3x plus y is equal 90. So we will copy first equation. We have 28 is equal 7x minus y, and in the second we will have 7x plus 3x is 10x, negative y and positive y we can reduce, so we have this is equal 90. So we can calculate from the second equation x. We will divide both sides by 10. So we have that x is equal 9. Now we have to find the y. We can substitute x to the first equation. So we have 28 is equal 7 times 9, x is 9, minus y. So we have 28 is equal 7 times 9 is equal 63 minus y. Now I will move negative y to the left side, so we'll have y is equal 63 and 28 to the right, so it will be minus 28. So y is equal 35. So we found x and y. This is my solution.